welcome back to the channel. We are currently on the way to the gym. Haven't made a video in quite some time because the last video I was supposed to upload, that shit ended up being a dud. No races went on, the meat was cooked, and then I ended up going home a couple of days later, and I was there for like 4 days, so obviously couldn't film there. And then came back and it's just been straight rain. So I'm gonna try and do like a little POV on the way to the gym. As you can see, it's literally raining. Actually looked like it stopped. It was sprinkling like right when I left the house, but yeah, nothing but rain for like fucking the last 4 days, 5 days since I've been home. Trying to get some shit going on last night, but the rain, it was just, the roads are too wet. It wasn't raining and it hasn't rained. It was like 10 hours or something like that, maybe even a little more, I don't know, but the roads are just still too damp, so can't really get any runs in if the roads are damp. So this is just kind of what we're stuck with. It's looking like Tuesday next week, which today's Thursday, so yeah, on Tuesday might try and go out, get some runs in. It's a full day of sun, it says, so fingers crossed for that. And with the car, man, dude, it feels good to be back in the car. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do next, whether that's fuel system, brakes, I don't really know. I know I need to get some tires for the front runners because the bi-sply tires that are on there they're cooked, man. They're already fucked. So I think I'm just gonna get some like normal like street tires for them, and then I'll run those 24/7 because I honestly don't mind the skinnies, but I 100% need to swap out that tire because they're super sensitive too. Like you run over like one little like sharp object, bro, they're popping. Marcus had the same exact problem with his, so. But yeah, I just need to figure out what I want to do next. I know we got Buddha, not this weekend, but the weekend after. We're probably going to go out there, try and get some runs in. I know it's going to be like some higher horsepower cars. Like, bro, I don't even think I have enough for this night. But, I mean, you know how it is. They say that just, like, keep the, like, the NA motherfuckers out of there. So, hopefully, that all goes well. I really hope. That's kind of what I'm banging on right now. But, yeah, I wish I had more to record. There's really, like, nothing going on. But I want to kind of put up a video just to, explain where the hell I've been, because it's been like, I think at the time of recording this, like 9 or 10 days, something like that, since I posted a video. So I want to at least get something out. I know there hasn't even been any meets really either, so can't even like go record meets. It's been absolutely dead. We'll go this way, fuck it. But yeah, so it's probably gonna be a short video as well, probably like literally less than 10 minutes. Which I hate making them like, you know, only 8 or 9 minutes, but sometimes that's what you gotta do. I mean, look, it's actually soaked over here. Look at all this water. But yeah, we're pretty much at the gym. I'm gonna go get a lift. I need over. Got to get a lift in and then POV on the way home maybe. I don't even know. Oh, it's fucking packed too. Damn, it's packed. I want to come earlier, but I had some work to get done. Alright, just like that, quick little leg day sesh. This is like my second day back in the gym. I haven't been back in a while, and I need to stop being a piece of shit, bro. I was like, bro, we just gotta do it. Okay, buddy. Yeah, I was out of the gym for so long because, like, I used to go back home. I lived in PA, but then my buddy bought a house, and like right when he bought a house, I started helping him move shit into the new house. Like, we weren't going for a few days, and then like 3 weeks later, I moved. That's funny. PA played. like 3 weeks later, I moved from PA to here, and I dealt with a whole bunch of bullshit when I first moved here with the first home that I moved into. So like I didn't go, and I just never got back into it. But second day back, which I was pretty sore yesterday, or no, sorry, this morning. But so I did back and by yesterday. Just did legs, quick in and out. I'm going to see a movie here pretty soon, so I gotta get ready. I'm gonna try and edit this down and shower real quick. But I miss doing some wide open pulls, man. I haven't done a pull in this car in fucking like 2 weeks. It's gonna be like 3. By the time this rain's done, it's gonna be, I mean, shit, it might as well be a month. And we need to do an oil change here pretty soon in the next 500 miles. Need to get me some oil, order the oil and filter. So I get that done at 11,500. I do my oil, right, I've been doing it every 3,000 or like 3,500 miles. I've been doing it. Cause I mean, I used to do it 5,000, but like with this vehicle, I mean, we're doing like the super hard pulls, and then we're also running E30. So I think when I do E85, I might even knock it down like another 1,000, do like every 2,500. Just because, what the hell? Just because I believe when you run like full E, you need to be changing it like even sooner. But just right now we're on E30, so we're doing every 3,500 miles. Let me know what increments you guys do, because I know some people are like super extra about it, but like they'll be running like just 93 and they'll do it like every 1,000 miles or like every like 6 months, but they don't drive the car. Like this car actually gets like driven, like usually like every week I'm beating the piss out of this car pretty much. But I don't know, I wouldn't say beating the piss out of it, because realistically I'm not getting that many runs in every weekend, but like I most definitely am getting runs in. It feels so weird talking on camera. It's been so long. Like commentating, I don't know if like any of y'all do it, but like commentating like over a video, like it's actually not that easy. I thought it was way easier until I did it myself, and it's actually not that easy. Marcus is good. That dude's good at just chatting up. I hope to be good like him one day, because that dude ears, man, everything flows really well for him. It just comes off the tongue. Like he can think of shit to say like really quickly. I love listening to this car. I wish I could fucking rip on it a little bit. This car's been under 300 RPM or 3,000 RPM for every day I've driven it this week. The rest of the weather's so annoying, and it's like I don't like doing just videos like this where I just talk, because it's like they're not really entertaining. And I probably won't do this again. Like the next video will probably literally just be like whenever it's done raining and we go out and get some runs or go to a meet or some shit. It's just not entertaining. Like I like to record entertaining shit, not like cut com videos. Although I think I do have some shorts to edit down. I think I have a couple races to clip down into short form content to post on like Facebook and Instagram. Speaking of that, make sure you guys go down the description. My Instagram is down there. Make sure you go give that a follow. But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say, man. I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed. Sorry, you know, it's been a while since I've uploaded, and it'll probably be like another week on top of this video if I'm being completely honest. Just there's nothing I can really do when it rains outside and I make car content, you know. There's really nothing popping at the moment. So, but yeah, with that being said, make sure you drop a like and a sub, and I will catch you guys all on the next one. Peace.